Are you thinking about selling your home but worried about delays, inspections, and financing falling through? Could a cash offer be a solution to those concerns? In this video, we're going to cover why so many people are talking about cash offers, the huge growth in cash offers over the last few years, what exactly is a cash offer, what are the benefits of an all-cash offer, and the top myths of cash offers. We'll also share some real-world examples of people who chose to go with a cash offer. So stick around, and by the end I'll share with you the #1 reason why a cash offer might be your best move. Oh, and by the way, we're on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers so we can keep bringing you valuable content just like this. So we'd love your support. Now let's get into it. So why are so many people talking about all cash offers? Did you know that according to ATTOM Data, about 33% of US home sales in 2024 were cash transactions, all cash transactions? That's 1 in 3 homes sold without lender financing. Bet you didn't know that. But what does an all cash offer even mean for you as a seller? An all cash offer means the buyer doesn't need a mortgage. They pay the full amount directly at closing. There are no banks involved, no financing contingencies, and often fewer delays. So basically, when a buyer like us at House Buyers of America makes an all cash offer, we already have the funds on hand, so you don't have to worry about the sale falling through because of loans getting denied or paperwork headaches. So why are cash offers so great? Let's break down why sellers love cash offers. Here are some of the top perks. #1, speed. Faster closings. Cash deals can close in as little as 7 days. #2, certainty. No financing means fewer chances for a deal to collapse. #3, as-is sales. You often don't have to make repairs, updates, or clean out the house. In fact, with us at House Buyers of America, we allow our homeowners to leave all of their trash and personal belongings behind, and we take care of the rest. #4, less stress. Avoid endless showings, open houses, and negotiations. So if you're on a tight timeline, like needing to move out quickly, unloading a recently inherited property, trying to cover medical bills, or avoiding foreclosure, a cash offer can be a lifesaver. Let me share with you a real-life example of how an all-cash offer made a huge difference. Meet Sheri Evans. After her husband's car accident, Sheri needed to sell her condo fast to pay off medical bills and to avoid falling behind on their mortgage. The condo was rented out and in rough shape, and it needed major updates. We give Sheri a fair all-cash offer. We let her pick the move-out date that worked for her. Our team handled everything from removing debris to the full renovations, such as updating the kitchen lighting, flooring, and new dishwasher, refinishing the bathrooms with new hardware, tile, fresh vanities, mirrors, lights, new LVP and carpet throughout, full interior paint. We repaired the HVAC, plumbing, windows, and the list goes on. In the end, we paid off Sheri's mortgage, provided the proceeds so she could pay off her medical bills, and transformed the condo so it was ready for its next chapter. So you might have heard some things about cash offers that just aren't true. So let's bust some of those most common myths. So myth #1, cash offers are always lowball offers. Not true. Serious cash buyers make fair offers based on the home's condition and market value. Myth #2, you have to move out immediately if you accept a cash offer. Nope, you can often choose your move-out date. We've worked with many clients to set a timeline that worked for them. Myth #3, cash buyers won't help you with repairs or cleanup. Wrong again. For example, we've covered debris removal, major repairs, and even full gut renovations to make the process smooth for our sellers. Remember the #1 reason sellers choose cash offers? Peace of mind. When you go with cash, you skip the waiting game. If you're curious about how a cash offer could work for you, click on the link in the description to check out our full blogs on this topic. And hey, leave a comment below with questions you have or share any experience you've had with cash offers. We love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips on selling your home hassle-free.